Good day, students. Today's theme is about environmental pollution. What do you think? What is the environmental pollution? And what kind of pollutions do you know? Environmental pollution. The first one is we should know what is the air pollution. Air pollution refers to the release of pollutants into the air that are detrimental to human health and the planet as a whole. A physical, biological, and chemical alteration to the air in the atmosphere can be termed as pollution. It occurs when any harmful gases, dust, smoke enters into the atmosphere and make it difficult for plants, animals, and humans to survive as the air becomes dirty. So, what causes air pollution? Most air pollution comes from energy use and production. Burning fossil fuels releases gases and chemicals into the air. And the next cause is the ozone layer, considered crucial for the existence of the ecosystems of the planet, is depleting due to increased pollution. Another type of air pollution is then worsened by that increased heat. Smoke forms when the weather is warmed and there is more ultraviolet radiation. Climate change also increases the production of allergenic air pollutants including mold thanks to damp conditions caused by extreme weather and increased flooding, and pollen due to a longer pollen season and more pollen production. What are the sources of air pollution? They are illustrated with pictures, or the factors, dust, transportation can be caused to become the problem, the air pollution. So primary pollutants, there are also pie chart. You can see the sources of air pollution: natural sources, man-made sources, natural events, agricultural activities, exhaust from factories and industries, greenhouse gases, waste in landfills, and the burning of fossil fuels and the mining operations. And disastrous effects of air pollution. The air pollution, the silent killer. So there are 7 million deaths in a year. The clean air for health we need, and the air pollution is a major environmental risk to health. By reducing air pollution levels, countries can reduce the heart attack and the stroke, such kind of problems. We can see that to human health, life. So that's reasons: extra-drain and child health problems, depletion of the ozone layer, aerification effect on wildlife, global warming, and respiratory and heart problems. There is a 9 out of 10 people in cities breathe polluted air. But unfortunately it can't work. So here the task: you should match the words with the definitions. So there are given 13 words: to harm, to alter, to exploit, harvest, sparrow, to launch, exhaustion, extinct, starvation, to swarm, a yield, to consume, and to cure. So if you know the definitions of these words, you can find them turn by turn. So for example, to harm. Do you know the definition of the to harm? To harm, it means, to harm comes to F, to hurt someone or damage something. Or harvest, what does it mean? Or to alter. You should find yourself. So next page about the impact of deforestation. So, coronavirus, climate change, and the environment. So, climate change and global health policy and largely treated as separate issues by the public and media. Do we need to adjust our thinking? COVID-19 is killing people now and climate change is killing people now. The scale of actions to combat them are starkly different. Why? Is climate change too expensive to fix? So, your home task, you should answer the questions. The first question is, does climate change affect the transmission of coronavirus? The second one, does air pollution increase the risk of getting coronavirus? And does it make symptoms worse? Will warmer weather slow the spread of coronavirus? How likely are we to see infectious disease spread as a result of climate change? Why are emerging infectious diseases on the risk? What actions can we take to prevent future outbreaks? Next question. Can you identify the communities most at risk and how and why both COVID-19 and climate change harms them? And the last question is, why is it so important for health officials to talk about climate change now? I think everything is clear, so thank you for your attention. Goodbye, good luck.